Introducing a fully loaded flagship. This is the DJI Agras T100. With a maximum payload of 100 kilograms and a single-axis thrust of 82 kilograms, the T100 features a coaxial dual rotor configuration and 62-inch carbon fiber propellers, delivering extremely powerful and robust performance. The T100 delivers unparalleled spraying power with a 100 kilogram payload and dual sprinklers capable of a maximum flow rate of 30 liters per minute. For orchard and high volume applications, switch to 4 water-cooled mist spray sprinklers to increase the flow rate to 40 liters per minute. The dual motor water-cooled structure is durable. Mist droplets as fine as 50 microns enhance liquid penetration and ensures comprehensive spraying coverage. The T100 supports quick swapping to its spreading system. With a spreading payload of 100 kilograms, the new generation screw feeder delivers a flow rate of up to 400 kilograms per minute. With support for high-speed spreading at 20 meters per second, it boosts overall operational efficiency by 66%. Equipped with a high-torque screw feeder motor, it ensures smoother and more seamless spreading operations. Various screw feeder types are available to suit every granulars for more precise spreading. The 150-liter spreading tank is perfect for loading more lightweight granulars like grass seeds. With a lifting capacity of 100 kilograms, T100 can transform into a transport solution. The lifting system supports single battery and dual batteries versions. A triaxial force sensor stabilizes cargo mid-flight, smartly eliminating swing for steady transportation. Real-time AR smartphone guidance and remote controller features make loading and unloading seamless. Automatic flight support makes lifting hassle-free. Weight detection is included to prevent overloading, easy for settlement. Safety is non-negotiable. The T100 features a next-level safety system with comprehensive upgrades. Equipped with a new LiDAR and millimeter wave radar, the T100 delivers safer and smoother fully automatic operation. The LiDAR captures point cloud densities of up to 300,000 points per second for detailed obstacle mapping and seamless navigation across even the most challenging terrains. During operations, obstacles are automatically detected and saved into the field map, making each flight progressively safer. An advanced quad vision system delivers 360-degree real-time environmental awareness, ensuring takeoffs and automatic obstacle imaging in any flight direction. The T100 Night Vision Color FPV camera uses virtual gimbal technology combined with electronic stabilization algorithms for smoother video footage. Night navigation light improve visibility and ensure safe landings during operations at night. For hilly orchard flights, LiDAR teams up with an FPV camera to support fully automatic mapping, even in low light conditions. After survey, the system generates 3D construction maps with 80% improved wire detection, ensuring the most precise route planning for your next operation. To ensure stable and continuous power supply, the new intelligent flight battery offers greater capacity with a 3-duct cooling design. Paired with an 11.5 kilowatt versatile variable frequency charging station, it supports ultra-fast charging. Additional options include a 12 kilowatt intelligent charger, quiet, eco-friendly, and portable. The brand new O4 image transmission system offers low latency, anti-interference capabilities, and stable, smooth video quality. For scenarios with severe signal obstructions, the optional product O4 relay module ensures stable video transmission and operational safety. Enhanced positioning accuracy ensures safer flight operations. The T100 features the new DRTK3 Agriculture Edition, enabling plug-and-play centimeter-level positioning without the need to configure coordinates. It ensures precision across the entire operation. This is the all-new DJI Agras T100. Big drone, big jobs.